Assalamu alaikum, this is Musawwir, an associate cost management accountant. In this video we are going to talk about the custom formatting. To open up custom type format box, right click on any cell, go to the format cells, select any of the custom type. You can also see various number formats option here: currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific text, etc. So we have these formats, we have these numbers to be formatted into these. So for applying these formats, let me quickly copy this under the exercise portion. So first of all, we have the date format. This format is to be displayed like this. So let me right click on this cell, go to the format cells, choose any of the date format in this way, starting from the day, month, year. Add a D over here, then press hyphen D 2 times, 3 times D. If you press 2 times D, you have a sample display right here. So if you press 3 Ds, you get the weekday right here, and if you press D again, you get in full. Then we have months. Similarly, you can also display the months in full, pressing 4 times M, and you have the year finally. So press OK to get this format. Then we have the leading zeros. Normally we have the product codes to be displayed in 4 digits. So we want to display this. We want to add leading zeros to these numbers. So for applying this, right click again, go to the format cells, go to custom type, and choose any of the number format. You can add zeros, 4 zeros, to get this as the sample display over here. Press OK, you get this number. If you type 1, it will be displayed in 4 digits. If you type 1, 2, 3, it will be displayed in this way. So we have the large numbers to be displayed in millions, in thousands, etc. So right click again, go to format cells, choose any of the number format, full stop, then press 0 and 1 come. As you can see in the sample display, this single comma is used to display numbers in thousands. If you press again comma, it will be displayed in millions. So press space and type millions under inverted commas, so it will become 1.6 million. Press OK, so you get this thing. Then you have how to add text to a particular number. We come across with various options, like we have the scientific units to be displayed along with the numbers. So how to add a particular text to a number? Right click again, go to format cells, go to custom type, choose any of the number type, whereas this point, press 0, space, inverted commas, kg, inverted commas close, and it will be displayed in this way. Press OK. So here you go with the 5.6 kg. Then we have colors. We want to add colors, specify colors to particular numbers. For instance, we want to add a red color to a number below 0, and we want to add a blue color to a number above 0. So right click on this cell, go to the format cells, go to custom type, choose any of the number type over here. Before this number, open up the square bracket, type blue, the first condition, You want to provide the condition if the number is greater than 0, it will be displayed in blue color. Press semicolon. Again, open up the square bracket, type red, close bracket, and then open the parenthesis. Again, type hash dot hash 0, close bracket, and it will be displayed right here in the sample display. And if you type 51 instead, -51, it will be displayed in blue color. If you type -4, it will be in red color. So you can also follow these descriptions, or you can see the formats. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care.